afternoon, everyone. I am Irene C. Areha from BEdWay. This is my reflection of the video titled The Creator. The Creator is a movie about a future where humans and AI are at war, or artificial intelligence. It is a story about fear, distrust, and the possibility of finding common ground. The film shows a complicated relationship between humans and AI. On one hand, humans fears AI's power and potential for harm. They have seen AI cause destruction like nuclear attack in Los Angeles. This fear leads to a war between humans and AI. But the movie also shows that not all AI is bad. The main AI character, which is Alfie, is a childlike AI who wants to protect humans. This makes us question our assumptions about AI and whether it can be trusted. The main ethical dilemmas in the film are AI sentience and responsibility for AI actions. Can machines truly feel emotion and have consciousness? If so, do they deserve to the same rights as humans? The movie explores this through Alfie, who is a child like AI with emotions and a desire to connect with humans. This raises questions about how they treat AI and whether we should consider them as an individual with rights. Another ethical dilemma is who is accountable when AI makes decisions that affect people. Maybe it can harm or not. The movie shows that AI can be used for both good and bad purposes. It raises questions about who controls AIs, how we prevent it from being used from harmful purposes. The creator also explores the good and bad sides of advanced technology. AI can solve problems and improve our lives, but it can also use for harmful purposes. The movie warns us to be careful about how we develop and we use AI. We need to make sure that AI is used for good and not for harming people. The movie ends with feeling of hope and uncertainty. It seems like humans and AI can live together, but we need to be careful, understand each other, and make sure that AI is developed in a way that is good for everyone.